What is up, YouTube? It's your favorite bearded Captain Crunch shirt wearing coin collector here, just a fun guy coins. And today, a little bit of an update. I recently talked to Jay Shmoney. He's a YouTuber I've collabed with and a really good friend. He said he is not totally retired from coin collecting, but he may want to get back into it one of these days. And long story short, I've bought 90% of his collection off of him. And I actually recently gave him about $100 for the rest of it all. So, not taking advantage of the situation, paying money where it's due, and I've been organized pretty much everything the way I need to organize, and it's all in one big binder now. Well, most of it is. I still have some more of my collection that's not in a binder, but I have a lot of it in the binder. I really narrowed down all my collection by just sticking it in it. And I get rid of a few plastic bags, so there you go. My collection is some not if it's not in the binder, it's in a box and it's in a fireproof. As you can see, I got a pretty thick binder full of goodies for you. When I got the binder, it was small. It was like a quarter of the size. But I realized I wanted to get more plastic, get more coin flaps, use up a whole box of staples, and I did almost pretty much that. The staples I used to be my mom's. They were 30 years old. She didn't care about them. Starting off, got the Indian heads from 1891 to 1905 on this page. And from, let's see, 03 on this page. 04, 05, 06, 7. Now, these pennies are nothing to laugh at. 1907, 1909. Let's see. 1909, 2009, 2019 was 110 years. 113-year-old penny. So these Indian heads are old. They're nothing to scoff at when it comes to how old they are. Moving on with some more recent pennies. Got a 95 DDO, 75 Lincoln Kennedy stamp, a 1972 Double Die Alvarez, 2009, 1953 D over D. This penny is extra special here. It's 45 DDO. This is a $45 penny. That's crazy. Got quarter, steel penny, gold plated, a couple steel pennies, W quarter, gram of silver, uncirculated quarter, and a flying eagle. One of the very first things Jay Shmoney ever gave me. Got a large cent from 1825. It's a Coronet large cent. Before the flying eagles, pennies used to be the size of $50. 1888 large cent from my neighbor to the north, Canada. A King George large cent. That has King George on it. That's King George's mother, Queen Victoria. Shield nickel, Columbus $50, SLQ. Steel cent again. 2001 proof. Trolley token. 64D. This is a 36 Merc dime. 58 diamond circulated, gold plates, misprint blank Queen Liz, 50th anniversary, 64 proof, seated Liberty dime, face value 2021 dime, and face value 1990 quarter. That's just in really good condition. Moving on, we got 2001 AM, 38 King George VI, The oldest coin in this binder is 1669 Kinsland Farthing. Off-center New York token of some... See, do I have it on backwards? It's good for one trolley. It's a New York City trolley token. This is Toys for Tots, but the Marine Corps does. 2009S, 2004S. HS means proof. 1954 2 shilling. This is a dyed chip from a 1983P, lamination error. And a cool little fact about lamination errors. If you're a collector, you want these. And if you're looking to start collecting, try to find lamination errors while doing corner hunts. They are a coin collector's dream. Another King George large penny from 27. One of the very first coins J. Money ever found. 726.20. A Centennial quarter. A Great Britain farthing with an unknown date. Bicentennial. We got 1975. 20 at 19. This is 20 at halfpenny. A 25 or that's 1886 or that's foreign. 1955 white penny. You got a 5-cent euro 5% for the Netherlands. This is school money. This is the only fake coin I've ever found with cornhole hunting that said school money. And a 45 war nickel. I got this so long ago. It was before I started with coins on my YouTube channel. We got a hold, a 61 Canadian silver, clipped planchet, 2004 proof, 60 silver dime, 55 sixpence, 72 10-penny, a 1900 Indian head, 1970. Alright, we got this page back here. I think we covered all of it. I don't know if you saw my Ike dollar, but there it is. We got Susan B. Anthony. We have a copper round. A couple peso coins. Pesos are from Mexico. Kind of like the avocados from Mexico. But I say avocado. It's like tomato, I think. Junk silver. 2009 quarter. Some Indian heads. Coin from Bhutan. I'm not going to pronounce that because I would just be butchering the poor name. An array token. Another Susan B. Anthony. Got a bird cent here. Bahamas and Bermuda 1 penny. These are just more Indian heads. I'll just skip right past those. 1918 penny. 13 penny. Which 1913 is the 4th year Lincoln was on the penny. Evelyn's 5-cent square coin. 2 pence. More pence coins from Europe. Bermuda, we got Sweden, we have Singapore, Switzerland. We got Netherlands, we got the Czech Republic, Germany, Colombia, more silver rounds, silver quarters, some half dollars, an Olympic token from '98, a Kona dollar from Hawaii, Bahamas nickel, $2 Canadian coin, Puerto Rico. We got some war nickels, some V nickels. War nickels, rosy dimes that are silver. And that's pretty much where I stopped. There's is all my solar. That's pretty much what's in my binder. Well, that was my binder. Last half of my binder I kind of had to fly through, or else we would have been here all night, and I got an early morning tomorrow. With that being said, my name is Just a Fun Guy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit the bell icon. The next time I'm signing off. So long, YouTube. Say goodbye, Captain. Bye-bye.